Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Make sure you watch the video on my homepage to learn more. So, anyways, US dollar Swiss is definitely still in a very strong downtrend. We are moving up a little bit right now, but I mean, all you have to do is look at the daily time frame to see why we're in such a strong downtrend. Now, the last end of a correction in my eyes is right here on the daily, and we do have one, two, three, four, five waves there. So could possibly make a correction to those five waves, which would potentially be a pretty decent move up. But we could also just end up pushing up a little bit and just continuing the downtrend. So we have to be careful in assuming that we're going to make a correction to those five waves. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is the structure level that would prove to me that the five waves are over on the daily. If it breaks this level, then it definitely would turn me into a buyer at the end of pullbacks to the upside. If it doesn't, anything that happens between this line and this line could just be a correction to this last wave down. It could literally just end up doing something like this and then continuing the downtrend. So definitely keep in mind that the higher time frames are definitely still telling us to look for sorts. But a lot of the dollar pairs do look like we potentially could have a little bit of a counter trend week, which means that we could possibly make a pretty decent move to the upside. I personally don't really like to trade counter trend, at least until we get the significant break of structure, but if you are trading below the 1 hour time frame, you can definitely give it a try. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.